Welcome to EMG Motor Group, Duxford. My name is Mark Sturgis, I'm the General Manager here, and I'd formally like to invite you down for our open weekend. EMG bought out Duxford Motor Group, which some of you will have known from before, a year ago, and part of our extensive renovations was a new showroom, new forecourt, lots of cars on display. So we'd like you, and anyone you know, to come and join us down here for our open weekend, 25th to the 27th of January, and come and join us with the festivities and what we're getting on with. Alright?